for chameleon. Chameleon. D is for dancing shrimp. Dancing shrimp. E is for elephant. Seal. Elephant. Seal. F is for flashlight. Fish. Flashlight. Fish. G is for gecko. Gecko. H is for hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for Jacob. Sheep. Jacob. Sheep. K is for kookaburra. Kookaburra. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. Are you ready to sing some letters of the alphabet? Well, get ready! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. N is for newt. Newt. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for peppermint shrimp. Peppermint shrimp. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for raven. Raven. S is for snake. Snake. T is for tarantula. Tarantula. U is for urchin. Urchin. Are you ready for some more letters of the alphabet? N-O-T, Q-R-S, T-U. Again, N-O-T, Q-R-S, T-U. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for wolf dog. Wolf dog. X is for ox. Ox. Y is for yellow-billed hornbill. Yellow-billed hornbill. Z is for donkey. Donkey. Okay, get ready for the last part of the alphabet. C, W, X, Y, Z. Again. V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! Are you ready to do all of the letters of the alphabet, boys and girls? Get ready! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A is for African wild dog. African wild dog. B is for beluga. Beluga. C is for chicken. Chicken. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. E is for Egyptian goose. Egyptian goose. F is for flamingo. G is for geese. Geese. H is for horse. Horse. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for killer whale. Killer whale. L is for lamb. Lamb. Now, boys and girls, I want you to sing these letters with me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. M is for Mexican wolf. Mexican wolf. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. O is for ocelot. porcupine. Porcupine. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for shark. Shark. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready to do some more letters? Here we go. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. Again. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. T is for tarantula. Tarantula. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for wallaby. Wallaby. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yellow pheasant. Yellow pheasant. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do these letters of the alphabet. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job. Now we're going to do all the letters. Here we go. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Beaver. C is for crocodile. Crocodile. D is for donkey. Donkey. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fairy. Penguins. Fairy. Penguins. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hawk. Hawk. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for Joey. Joey. K is for king. Vulture. King. Vulture. L is for lemur. Lemur. You know it's coming up. Come on, get ready. The alphabet. Here we go. N is for newborn piglet. Newborn piglet. O is for owl. Owl. P is for penguin. Penguins. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. S is for sloth. T is for toad. Toad. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. Get ready. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. T-U. Again. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. T-U. V is for vampire bat. Vampire bat. W is for Watusi. Watusi. X is for ox. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Now let's do the last part of the alphabet. Get ready, boys and girls! VWXYZ! Again! VWXYZ! Are you ready to do the whole alphabet? Well, you better get ready, because here we go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z! A is for anteater. Anteater. B is for bison. Bison. C is for coyote. Coyote. D is for dromedary camel. Dromedary camel. E is for emu. Emu. F is for ferret. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hedgehog. I is for ibis. Ibis. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. Get ready. You know what's coming up, boys and girls. We are going to be singing those letters again. Get ready. N is for newborn goat. Newborn goat. O is for orangutan. Orangutan. P is for purple striped jelly. Purple striped jelly. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rockfish. Rockfish. S is for sugar glider. Sugar glider. Okay, let's do the rest of those letters. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. Again. M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. T is for tomato, frog. Tomato, frog. U is for unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. V is for viper. Viper. W is for whale-head bird. Whale-head bird. X is for swallow. Y is for yellow seahorse. Yellow seahorse. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Boys and girls, let's sing the last letters. Here we go. T-U.